Nothing in there pertains to you, Fluffy. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. Look what we have here. It's the animal twin cat, RTR. Look how pretty she is. All graphicked up, all calibrated and put together all nice. This is the same animal you saw me doing a demo on the other day. And now it's all together. I'm going to show you guys just what I've done to this thing. Shall we? Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio control model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio control boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Now, we're going to do it a little different this time. We're going to show you this thing from the inside out. Voila. Pretty is as pretty does. This thing is pretty, and that's what we do. I've been doing RC since I was 5 years old. That's 46 years. Since I was a kid, I always had my dreams and images of how I would do things if I was making ready to run boats. Well, there was really no ready to run back then. If there was ready to run, it was lower end, something from a department store. But I still had an idea how I wanted to do RC boats. Let me correct that. RC cars. I didn't get into RC boats until college, but my nautical background stems from my dad took me fishing all the time. I was always near the water. Anyway, let's get back to this components list. Let's start with the steering. OPS 01L digital CNC chromoly gear. High speed, high torque servo. Would you look at the CNC case? No ready to run anything on the planet comes with a CNC chromoly gear, digital, high speed, high torque servo. For less complications, this customer went with our CNC servo horn, which is another goodie most boats and cars don't come with. Then look at the mounting hardware. Check out those screws and washers, and it bolts into a CNC aluminum pedestal that bolts into a carbon fiber plate. Needless to say, this servo ain't moving at all on you. Push-pull cable steering with artificial rams out back for realism. And you're right. You got it, Big Daddy. CNC aluminum rudder. The cable guides are on these pedestals. Hobby wing based Oxidean Marine 200 amp ESCs. Hobby wing based 4082 2200 kV 6-pole motors. Quasar talking GPS radio with telemetry. And we done set this boy's telemetry all up. This is the voltage sensor. And the wire comes all around here, all the way up and around, and plugs into the Quasar receiver. This right here is the GPS speed detector. Is that a piece of lint I see on there? It goes through the hull, through this grommet. It goes all the way around here and plugs into the receiver. And now, a word from our sponsors. The 2025 Rampage is a very powerful boat. We have clocked this boat at over 120 miles an hour, and that is with the old power system in it. Exciting new graphics, exciting new power system with bigger motors. This is the must-have big boy toy of the year. Either carbon fiber, carbon Kevlar, or gel coat in one of our beautiful colors, and we even have graphics. They will be released soon. Stay tuned to Oxidean Marine. Fun fact, the Quasar comes with this little grommet that you can put in there in case you decide to take the GPS off. And that's just a little button that's very non-intrusive. This boat is set up turnkey for this guy. When he gets it, he's going to plug in his batteries, turn it on, and that radio's going to start talking to him. I spent over a year developing this radio to bring this technology to RC boating, particularly carbon fiber RC boats. That's why it has a module that's waterproof and weatherproof that goes outside the boat that no others really have. We had in mind, all our boats are carbon fiber and the signal won't read through it, so we had to come up with something that would work. This thing is all calibrated and ready to go. The reason for that is because I run these boats, I run our products all the time. And so I know exactly what to do with them. And there aren't many people as qualified as I am. In fact, a lot of the people are full of malarkey. But I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one person that's not full of malarkey. That's Big B over at Ironclad RC. We can all agree that he really goes the extra mile to figure out what's going on with these boats and give good, solid information. The beauty is he's not biased, you know what I mean? He tells you exactly what's going on. He has a great following. And I'll be honest with you about this too. I've been doing RC boats for over 20 years, and I've never seen somebody come into it with what he does. You know what I mean? Like, there's some real dorks and real goofballs and people have an agenda. But this guy, what's so different about him, he actually just genuinely cares about RC boats and cares about people doing them and wants people to have an easy time doing it. And in turn, it's really promoted the sport really well. And I'll tell you what, this customer went with Oxidrive. Ball bearing out drive technology. That red really matches up. He's all red down there. Homeboy is all red down there. He's even got our red 42 millimeter high rake props. And I was a nice guy. And I kicked in some red CNC M5 lock nuts. These things do great. Your prop's not coming off with our M5 lock nuts on them. It's just not. And they're lightweight on the end. To be perfectly honest, we've discovered that if we do the lock nut, then a bullet behind it, it does something really good for the slipstream. This combo runs really well. We've noticed a marginal performance increase. This combination is so much more high quality than anything else out there. Plus you get the assistance from me with it. It's outstanding. You want to choose something nice for yourself? Look no further than Oxidean Marine boats. If you want something fast, that there's a lot of data on, that you can hit 100 miles an hour with at the drop of a hat, look no further than Oxidean Marine Animal Twin Cat or any of our other cats. All of our cats have been proven at over 100 miles an hour. And you know, not everybody wants to go 100 miles an hour. Some guys want to just do 75, 80 and have a great time. And I'll tell you what, this boat at 80, 85 miles an hour is loads of fun. And you get to run a full battery, full run time, and never worry about flipping over. We're going to let you out of here for today. But I'll tell you what, if you like what you see, and you like the manufacturer getting involved and showing you guys exactly what's going on with these boats, subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button. And remember to continue enjoying radio controlled model boats. Bill Oxidean, the Quasar equipped animal, AC2QE or AC2EQ, over and out.